Hello， 你好，我係陳老師。Today we are going to look at one very particular radical. It is the radical 口. You know, 口 means mouth, right? And a lot of Chinese words that talks about the emotions has this radical 口. And today there are three words that I really want to share with you, because with just these one word, this individually one word, they are going to make the whole sentence having a different meaning. And it's something really cool about the Chinese. So today we are going to look at the power of the radical 好, and we'll just focus on three today. Let's take a look. The first one is the you may hear it a lot of times already. You may hear it in anywhere, in all situations, and it is to emphasize something. Like when we say 好好啊, 好好啊, you know 好好 means good. And when we say 好好啊, that means, oh, very good, 好好啊. Well, you may probably hear me saying it all the time during class. Here's another example. 我知道啊, 我知道啊. Oh, I know. Yes. 我知道啊. Yes, she is very smart in math. She's very good in science. Oh, he is good in playing piano. Yeah, 我知道啊. 係啊，我知道啊. So the word right here is giving us a sense of like, oh, yes, definitely. And Chinese people use it all the time. What about another word? Oh, this also has the sound, but it goes a little lower. So this is a ah. As you may or may not know, Cantonese has 9 different tones. So when you say a word like it will have a different meaning as or Yes, well, there are 9 of them. We'll go through them step by step. But for this which is the lower one, that becomes a question word, which is like, oh, we're not very sure. Let's look at 2 examples. 你食飯啊? 你食飯啊? Like when you bump into somebody in a restaurant and you say, hey, are you having some food? Well, 你食飯啊? Right here I'm saying, are you having lunch? Well, maybe not exactly lunch. You can see a person in the evening, then, oh, 你食飯啊? Oh, are you having dinner? So that would still do. And another sentence, oh, 個電腦壞咗啊? 個電腦壞咗啊? Is the computer not working? So this is a very common question word. When you see something is happening, you just want to confirm if that is the case. Oh, are you having lunch? Are you having dinner? Is the computer not working? Is the Wi-Fi not working? Oh, Wi-Fi work. Okay, so the word when we say it low, it means that, oh, well, we just want to confirm something, and this is kind of a question. The next one is ga. Well, when you say something ga, that is when you want to be very sure. You want to tell others that, oh yes, I am very sure this is the case. An example, 佢好叻㗎. 佢好叻㗎. Have you ever said this, or have you ever heard people saying this? Oh, 佢好叻㗎. He's very smart. Oh, 佢讀書好叻㗎. He's very smart in studying. Oh, 佢好叻唱歌㗎. She's very smart in singing, or she's very good at singing. So the word ga is to confirm that yes, this is the case, very certain. The next one, 我去過迪士尼㗎。So sometimes when people ask, oh, have you been there? Oh yeah. 我去過迪士尼㗎。Yes, I have been to Disney. Yes. So the word 㗎 is like, yeah, I'm very far. So let's take a look at an example. And in this example, we are using the word as in, oh yeah, this is the case. Not very sure, asking a question to confirm. And the ga, yes, definitely, I am sure about that. And this happens in a place called Best Buy. And in Best Buy, a person is looking for something. Let's see if you can tell what they are looking for. 你好，你好，你想要乜嘢啊？我想要手機。好，請等等。呢個啦，呢個好好啊。呢個好好啊，呢個好好㗎，呢個好好，呢個好好㗎，好啦，多謝。So in this case, you hear the customer and the sales are using basically the same sentence, but just changing the last word. It is giving us some different meaning. So Mr. Giraffe is looking for a 手機。我想要個手機。So our sales Mr. Tiger is showing a 手機 to our Mr. Giraffe. And Mr. Tiger says, 呢個好好㗎，呢個好好㗎。Yeah, this one is good. 呢個好好㗎。And then Giraffe is asking, oh, 呢個好好啊。Is that good? Is this one good? 呢個好好啊。So that is like, oh, is it really? And then Mr. Tiger just say, yeah, it is, to confirm. 呢個好好㗎，呢個好好㗎。And the giraffe is still not very sure, but this time he is not asking again 呢個好好啊。He is just raising the last 好. And if you can hear it, 呢個好好，呢個好好。Sometimes when you have a statement, if you just raise your voice with the last word, that will become a question. Easy, right? So 呢個好好，呢個好好 is to say, oh, really? Is that good? So it could be like a very easy way to make a sentence become a question. And then Mr. Tiger just say, yeah, 呢個好好㗎。And if you want to say really good, then you have to emphasize like 好好㗎。And then the person will say, oh, okay, yeah, well, I get it now. So it is really good. So this is the power of the radical and the words to emphasize on a sentence and to show us the meaning.